Hey, so what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a simple and amazing birthday flyer on your Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider smash on that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel now, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are done with yours, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, we are diving into this tutorial now. So the first thing that you have to do now is that if you check this video description, you will find the image used in the tutorial as a link there. So access through the link and download all the resources that I will be using in today's tutorial. So let's move down to our Pixellab Pro. Yeah, so the first thing is that you do not need this default, just delete it, and I will show you when you are to add from your gallery and how and when. Yeah, so the first thing that I want you to do now is that let's add the first image from our gallery. This image you can get the color on this Pixellab Pro. I just want to give you guys directly, or you can make the color yourself. Yeah, you can see all is under my Pixellab folder. So let me just pick background for you guys. So guys, this is the background. You can see it's just simple color. Yeah, so the first thing that we have to do now is that we just resize it to 100 and lock it. Yeah, just resize to 100 and we lock it. Or you should come to this your background and pick on color and add color and pick on this color. You can see it's the same thing. You can see I've moved that one already. Yeah, you can see it's the same thing. So the next thing that we have to do now is that let's add a text, and on this text just write happy. So this age will be in capital letter. Yeah, so before we continue this, let's add the celebrant image from our gallery. I've already removed the background of the celebrant from yeah, so this is the image. Yeah, just resize this also to 100 and we lock it also. Yeah, so let's continue with this happy like that for us to just get the size that it will not be too big. So let's go to this font. We are going to use this champion font. I will also drop the name in the description, so don't forget to check it also. Yeah, so this at this point, just after this birthday over here, after it is set over here, let's bring it up a little bit. Yeah, you just have to copy it and edit the second one as birthday. Yeah, so this is how it is going to be. Yeah, so the birthday will be bigger than the happy. Yeah, so after this happy birthday, the next thing that we have to add another text, and this text will be the celebrant name. Ademola Faith. Yeah, all will be in capital letter. Just resize this and bring it under this birthday over here. You don't need to change the font. Yeah, so this is where the celebrant name will be. So the next thing that we have to do now is we just have to add another text, and that text will be prayer. Yeah, so on your birthday, I pray that you gather wherever your heart desire. May the special day of yours bring with God blessing. Yeah, so after this, just resize this a little bit, and I will have to do it again. Yeah, just come to this align and position it at the middle. Yeah, it's okay like this. So the next thing that we have to do now is let's add another image from our gallery. Yeah, this it will be this image. Yeah, so just resize it to 100. Yeah, so just send it to back, and reduce the opacity. Yeah, 7 or 8 is okay. So let's add another from our phone gallery. Yeah, so we are adding this next.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.
Just have to resize it also to 100.
I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on.
Send it to back, and we reduce the opacity.
Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams.
25 or 26 is okay for this one. Yeah, so let's add another text from our phone gallery again. Yeah, don't forget that all these resources will be dropped in this video description, so just check it. Yeah, just have to resize this also to 100. Get the size already. So the last image that we'll add from our gallery.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. You can see how beautiful this birthday flyer is it now. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider smash on that subscribe button and like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning, if you are thankful for coming back, guys, one more time, I really appreciate it. So see you all guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine.